Did you know the average car interior can be dirtier than a toilet seat? Yeah, and if you're just relying on gas station vacuums, you're probably missing half the mess. So here's the real question. Are you actually cleaning your car or just moving dirt around? Today, we're diving into the 5 best portable vacuum cleaners for cars that can completely change your cleaning game. From insane suction power to compact, go-anywhere designs, we're comparing them head to head so you know exactly which one is worth your money. And remember, all the links are in the description. Let's jump in. Number 5. Aspiron Cordless Handheld Vacuum. If raw suction power is what you care about, the Aspiron comes out swinging with up to 24 kilopascals, which is actually stronger than many compact rivals in this list. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and perfect for tight car spaces like seat gaps and under mats. Plus, that dual charging system makes it super convenient. But here's the catch. While it beats options like the BLACK+DECKER in pure suction and even holds more dirt, the battery life drops pretty fast on max mode, making it better for quick cleanups rather than full car detailing. Compared to the Fanttik, it's stronger in suction but lacks versatility. Now here's where it gets interesting. This vacuum really shines for people who deal with stubborn debris like crumbs, sand, or dry dirt that gets stuck deep into carpets. The narrow nozzle helps you target those tricky spots without spreading the mess around. However, if you're someone who likes to take your time cleaning every inch of your car, the shorter runtime might feel limiting. It's definitely more of a grab-and-go solution rather than a full detailing tool. So if you want power on a budget and don't mind recharging more often, this is a solid pick, but not the most well-rounded. Number 4. Fanttik Slim V8 Apex. Now this one is a multitasking beast. The Fanttik V8 Apex doesn't just vacuum, it blows, inflates, and even seals, making it easily the most versatile option here. With 19 kilopascal suction, it's not the strongest, but it's more than enough for everyday dirt, and the 10 included attachments give it a huge edge over simpler vacuums like the Aspiron. Compared to the Sycoodeal, it loses in raw suction, but absolutely wins in functionality. And that 40-minute eco runtime? Way better than most on this list. What really makes this vacuum stand out is how useful it becomes beyond just your car. You can use it to inflate tires or air mattresses, clean keyboards, or even blow dust out of tight electronic spaces. That's something most car vacuums simply can't do. The compact design also makes it easy to store without taking up much space in your trunk. On the downside, if you're dealing with heavy debris like wet dirt or thick pet hair, you might notice it takes a bit longer compared to more powerful models. So if you want an all-in-one gadget instead of just a vacuum, this one's hard to beat. What do you think? Would you actually use all those features or just stick to vacuuming? Let me know in the comments. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER dustbuster AdvancedClean. This is the classic, the reliable, no-fuss option that just works. It may not have crazy high suction like the Sycoodeal or Aspiron, but what it does offer is consistency, durability, and a larger dustbin than most compact models. The rotating nozzle is a game changer for tight spaces, especially compared to bulkier options like the Armor All. However, when you stack it against newer models, it clearly falls behind in power and modern features. That said, there's a reason this vacuum has been around for so long. It's incredibly dependable. You don't have to worry about complicated attachments or fragile components. It's designed for everyday users who just want something simple and effective. The ergonomic grip also makes it comfortable to use for longer periods, which is great if you're doing more than a quick cleanup. While it might struggle a bit with deeply embedded dirt or thick pet hair, it handles basic cleaning tasks with ease. Still, it beats many cheap no-name vacuums in longevity and reliability. So if you want something simple, proven, and dependable, this is your safe choice, but not the most powerful. Number 2. Sycoodeal Handheld Car Vacuum. This is where things get serious. The Sycoodeal brings insane 25,000 pascal suction, making it the most powerful cordless option on this list. It absolutely crushes pet hair, sand, and deep dirt, easily outperforming the Fanttik and even edging out the Aspiron in peak power. Plus, that LED display? Super underrated. It tells you exactly how much battery you've got left, which most vacuums don't. The trade-off? It's more focused on power than versatility. And honestly, that focus on power is exactly why so many people love it. If you've ever struggled to clean stubborn debris stuck deep in your car's carpet, this vacuum feels like a huge upgrade. It's designed for real cleaning, not just surface-level touch-ups. The strong suction combined with efficient filtration also means less dust blowing back into the air. However, because it prioritizes performance, you won't get extra features like blowing or inflating. Battery life is decent, but using it on max power will drain it faster. Still, if your goal is deep cleaning performance in a cordless design, this one is a top-tier choice and easily one of the most satisfying satisfying to use. Number 1. Armorall AA155 Wet/Dry Vacuum. If you want professional level cleaning, this is on another level. Unlike all the cordless options, the Armorall AA155 is corded, which means one thing: non-stop consistent power. No battery limits, no drop in suction. It handles both wet and dry messes, making it perfect for everything from spilled drinks to heavy debris. Compared to every other vacuum here, it's easily the most powerful and durable, but also less portable and not as convenient for quick cleanups. What really sets this vacuum apart is its ability to handle serious messes without breaking a sweat. Whether it's mud, liquid spills, or large debris, it cleans it all with ease. The larger tank capacity also means you don't have to empty it as often, which is a huge plus for deep cleaning sessions. On the downside, you'll need access to a power outlet, and it's definitely bulkier than handheld options, so it's not something you'll casually grab for a quick cleanup. But if you're serious about keeping your car spotless, or even detailing multiple vehicles, this vacuum delivers unmatched performance. It's built for power users who want results, not convenience. Final verdict: which one wins? Alright, so which one should you actually buy? If you want maximum power and deep cleaning, go with the Armorall AA155. No competition there. But for most people, the best overall balance of power, portability, and modern features goes to the Sycoodeal handheld car vacuum. It's powerful, smart, and built for real-world use, making it the ultimate all-rounder on this list. So, what do you think? Which one would you pick for your car? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because we're always bringing you the best gear to level up your ride.